Why do some leaders and companies inspire loyalty and trust, while others struggle to make an impact? According to Start With Why by Simon Sinek, it all begins with one crucial element: why. Join me as we dive into the lessons of Start With Why and explore simple steps you can take today to uncover your own purpose. At the core of Sinek's message is the golden circle, three layers that represent how successful leaders and brands communicate. The outermost layer is what, the second is how, and the innermost layer, the heart of it all, is why. Most people focus on what, the product or service they offer. But to inspire action, Sinek says, you need to lead with why. Real-life examples. Sinek brings his point home with real-world examples. Think of Apple. They don't just sell technology. Their why is to challenge the status quo and think differently. The Wright brothers had no formal education or resources, yet they succeeded because they believed in advancing human flight. It's that deeper belief, that why, that attracts people. Action step number 1, discover your why. So, how can you start to uncover your own why? A great first step is self-reflection. Think back to a moment when you felt truly fulfilled and motivated. What were you doing? Who were you helping, and why did it matter? These memories often hold clues about what drives you. Action step number 2, ask why 5 times. Sinek suggests using a technique called the 5 whys. Start by identifying something you do, then ask why 5 times in a row. For example, if you're a teacher, ask why you teach. With each answer, go a level deeper. By the 5th why, you'll uncover a core belief or purpose. Action step number 3, define your mission statement. Once you have an idea of your why, it's time to shape it into a clear mission statement. A good mission statement is simple and specific. For example, Simon Sinek's why is to inspire people to do the things that inspire them. Write a statement that captures your unique purpose and use it as a guiding light in every decision you make. Inspiring others with your why. Once you know your why, start sharing it. Whether you're a business owner, a leader, or someone wanting to make a difference, talk about your why with your team, customers, and network. This will help attract people who believe in what you believe, creating deeper loyalty and trust. Remember, people don't just buy what you do, they buy why you do it. Building consistency around your why. Consistency is key. Every action, message, and decision should align with your why. When you live your why consistently, people trust that you're genuine. A powerful example is IKEA. Their why is to create a better everyday life for people, which is reflected in everything from their affordable products to their design choices. Action step number 4, revisit and refine your why. Your why isn't static. It can evolve. Make a habit of revisiting your why periodically. As you gain new experiences, your purpose may grow and deepen. Take time to reflect, refine, and ensure your why aligns with where you are in life. The why behind great companies. Sinek gives examples like Harley-Davidson and Apple, whose whys create loyal communities. Customers connect with the deeper purpose, not just the products. Why overcomes obstacles. Having a why can help you overcome obstacles. When challenges arise, reconnecting with your why gives you the resilience to push through. Action step number 5, seek feedback on your why. Ask trusted friends or colleagues for feedback on your why. Sometimes, others can help you clarify or refine it further. Personal versus professional why. Your why doesn't have to be strictly professional. A personal why can guide your career choices, relationships, and lifestyle. Action step number 6, practice your why daily. Put your why into daily practice. Write it down, set reminders, and keep it front and center in your life. Revisiting your why over time. As you grow, your why might evolve. Schedule time to revisit it annually to make sure it still aligns with your goals. Inspiring others with your why. Sharing your why can inspire others to find their own. Talk about it openly with your family, friends, and community. Let your purpose spark inspiration in those around you. The legacy of why. Ultimately, starting with why is about leaving a lasting impact. Whether in business or life, let your why guide your legacy. Remember, finding your why isn't about discovering something new. It's about reconnecting with what's always been there, the unique drive that makes you you. Your why is the core of who you are, and when you lead with it, you don't just create success. You create a life of meaning, purpose, and connection. So start with why, and let your purpose guide every step forward. Thank you for joining me today. Now, let's go inspire the world together.